All right, so I'm going to show y'all how to search for a listing on the KW Consumer app. So first thing you want to do is open that app up. If you're not already logged in, make sure that you are. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and search for Austin, Texas. So a few things. You can either hit the search button on your keyboard, or you can choose the suggestion from the menu given here. So the first thing I'm going to do is use the search button on my keyboard, and it's going to take me to the general area around Austin, where we can see a whole bunch of listings just in this map view. And you can switch over to the list view and see them just like that. So back to the map view. If instead you were to choose this suggestion here, you see that blue boundary line gets drawn onto your map. That is what Google Maps has for the boundaries for the city of Austin. And then a whole bunch of listings outside of that boundary have disappeared because now we're only searching within the city boundaries. So then we can also switch our filters here. So if I wanted to search for rentals and not listings that are for sale, you can see all the little bubbles are now purple. So that's a good indicator to know whether you're searching for listings that are for sale or if they're for rent. So again, let's go back to the for sale one. We can take all these off and just search for pending listings within Austin. If you click a little button, you can see that's a pending listing, and basically all the ones in here should only be pending listings. We can filter by price, so we can slide this over, and we can filter for listings within that price range. We could also filter by the property type, so say I only want to look for apartments that are for sale. Apparently there's nothing, and just clicking on that little bubble again will remove that filter. To remove the price filter, you just have to extend it again. And then if you go into the more, you can either filter by beds, baths, square footage, lot size, the year it was built, whether it has parking or not, keywords. Again, only certain words will work on this field, not everything. So if I wanted to search for something with the playscape, that probably would not work. But pool definitely does, yard as well. We could also search for houses that have an open house in the next few days, and for those that have had a price reduction in the last 7 days. And then you can also just clear all filters and then show me the results. And so again, it basically cleared the pending filter for me. And yeah, again, you can also draw an area that you want to search for. So say I just want to search for around the lake. It'll take me to listings in that area. And we can also switch from the default map view, which looks a lot like Google Maps, and then we can also look at the satellite view.